Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Honda CRV. It comes with 58,231 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. I did want to point out to y'all that to open the trunk, you do have to push this button right here. You'll have to open the glass first and then the door opens. These seats do stow away so you can create more cargo room. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. The lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're looking at on the top, 93,715. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 58,231. Let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.